There's a common saying like, change or die. Stagnation is not great. There's nothing good about it. And so if you're not progressing, you're slowly dying. And so just think through, what can we do? How can we be more efficient? How can we bring our coworkers together more seamlessly? Just because you have been doing something one way does not mean it's the right thing. I just think in this world where we're radically evolving on such a radical basis, people need to be more accepting to change. And even though everyone knows change in this category is good, change is equally as hard. So it's just, I would say it's a great thing to be open-minded to the new technology and to embrace that change is good. So, that's my sort of short pitch here. Just embrace change because it's happening whether you jump on board or not.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us on the podcast today. We'll leave a link in the notes for a free trial for anybody that would like to get a feel for how the solution works in real life. And today we've been joined by Jonathan Fields, co-founder and CEO of Assembly. And just to give everybody a vision as to where we're heading, later in the week on one of our next podcasts, we'll have Jason Eggers from Glances